Finding the right tool is hard. I'm going to show you how we're going to be organizing our drawers. We used a vinyl cutter with Inkscape to create these tag labels that are going to go on each drawer. This is drawer 1 in toolbox A, and every toolbox has 1 through 9. For some of the stickers, like 8, where there's a little dot inside, I put on the whole thing and then I just peel the letter off. So we cut out all of these on the vinyl cutter, and now every tool chest has numbered drawers. Every drawer is organized. This one has hammers in it. What we found is that because the handle is metal, you can take a Sharpie and write the name of what's in it, and it's on there pretty well. But since it's metal, you would actually be able to use some alcohol, wipe this off, and change the contents if you wanted to move something. Down below in the toolboxes, we have mostly tools in these numbered drawers. And then up above, we have kind of out of the way, there's this box system where we have all these different components, filters, ball bearings, motors, whatever you can imagine. For instance, if you want a speaker, here's the speaker box. Just through the years, as we've torn things apart, this box system has been a great way to keep track of all the different components that we have. So there's all kinds of things up here like hooks and whatever. But one of the challenges with this system is somebody will pull a box down and there's no designated place where it goes back. So you'll get used to where a box is, and then all of a sudden it'll vanish, it'll be moved somewhere else. And with the number of boxes that we have, it can be hard to track it down again. The solution is to put a number on each box so that it has a designated order and you can just glance up and know where it is. You'll become familiar with the number as you use it, but there will be a master list that you can just consult to find out what number the box is that you're looking at. Down below the component boxes, we built the shelves with a structure so that it acts as support, but also you could store things like peanut butter jars and anything that can go in a peanut butter jar. This is a great home for it right here where you can see it.